रिजोल्युशनाचेर भाग
Carlos Ferreira.
म्हाका ताणें
Honorable
रूल
Speaker,
काडून दाखोवचो आमदाराशिवाय
this is a very
उलोवंक
important
शकता काय
resolution moved by our leader of opposition, Yuri
कितें? एक
Alimao.
मिनिट एकूच मिनिट
Now,
अरे एक ही दे स्पीकर सर. Let him sit.
Goa's identity was at crossroads when we got liberation, and there were murmurs and demand for merging Goa as part of Maharashtra. And that is why, with lot of effort, with lot of struggle, by people like Dr. Zach de Siqueira, my neighbor in Panchim, and also efforts of Purushottam Kakodkar, who managed to convince Indira Gandhi to make sure that this law was brought so that opinion poll could be held. We managed to have an opinion poll. In my constituency of Aldona, there were 12,902 voters, of which 12,470 were polling. For merger were 4,700, while anti-merger was 7,609. If we are celebrating a first step where we get liberation, I think that we should also celebrate a day when we have retained our identity. Because liberation was part one, and identity is what is our character and why we stand here today. And I believe that those people who are standing here in this august house only because we got it, otherwise we probably would have ended up being a taluka of Maharashtra. And I think that I will appeal to all the members of the august house. There is no reason to oppose. We need not be shy. We can still proudly say what we are today is because of this 16th January opinion poll day. You will be able to demonstrate your love for Goa and your standing for Goa if you stand and vote along with us. I'm obliged to all the references made to all the people. I will not repeat the names which our leader of opposition has named. There are many others also, but I think it is enough to make this, that I support this resolution and appeal to all the members, please support in unison so we can have this across the board. This is not a political resolution. It is only for the sake of Goa.
Shivarish Borkar. Let him complete and then issue.
डिलीट कसो केलो म्हाका स्पीकर सर एकूच मिनट भितर राव आतां बाब सुदीन ढवळीकर कित्याक घुसपला कळना म्हाका एक स्पीकर सर आय रायज एक मिनट स्पीकर सर सगळ्यांची याद मातशी रिफ्रेश करपाक जाय म्हाका खूब जाण जे हांगा आमदार आसा हांव हांगा उबो रावला टू सपोर्ट द रिजोल्यूशन बट ऑल्सो टू रिमाइंड पीपल especially members of this house who were there in the last tenure. And Sudhin Dhavlikar was a minister with me. Dr. Pramod Sawant was the speaker of the Legislative Assembly. And Michael Lobo was wanting to be the minister, on the line to be the minister. We had three ministers. Rohan Khauta was my colleague. Speaker sir.
This house strongly recommends the government to commemorate 16 January as Asmitai Dis, Opinion Poll Day, as an official day of the state government and hold Asmitai Dis, Opinion Poll Day as official state function to commemorate the same. The same is to recognize the efforts of proud and brave Goans to maintain their separate identity as Goans.
Yes. Tarao Sabha Gramka Asat, Ulet.
Speaker sir, पयसो खातीर हें हांवें पर ओरिजिनल गायिल्लें आनी म्हाका दिसता खबर ना हें कित्याक कट केलें तें कित्याक असलो एक हितून म्हाका दिसता दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकरा नांव आहा आमगेले जवाहरलाल नेहरूचें नांव आहा इंदिरा गांधी नांव आहा हें केलें म्हाका खबर ना कित्याक आनी एक दाखोवपाक हांव सोदिता हेच पद्दतीन BBC-चें येयल्लें हेजो इल्ले 4-5 पेज्यो सारक्यो बुरबुरून हें कांय करूं ना तूं बरें Speaker sir, I start my speech by paying respect to all the known and unknown Goans who immensely contributed to retain the identity of Goa by participating in the historic opinion poll campaign. And Speaker sir, Dr. Jack Sikir, Purushottam Bab Kakodkar, वासुदेव बाब सरमळकर, चंद्रकांत बाब केणी, शंकर बाब भंडारी, एडवोकेट उदय बाब बेंब्रो, प्राउड कुंकोळकार आमगेलो शाबुदाद देसाई, उल्हास भुयाव, एन शिवदास, विजयबाई सरमळकर, नुरुद्दीन मवानी, वासुदेव बाब सलगांवकर, रवी बाब नायक ना तो हिंगा, विक्टोरिया फेर्नांडीस, एडवोकेट अमृत बाब कसार, नरसिम नाईक by Urminda Lima Letao, the lone woman in the first Legislative Assembly, Dr. Alvaro Loyola de Furtado, Teotun Pereira, former MLA Enio Pimenta, Dr. Vinayak Mayekar, Professor Armando Menezes, Sadanand Kenikar, Yashwant Desai, Luis Proth Barbosa, Speaker Sir, and many others contributed to this historic opinion poll movement. Speaker Sir, Poile Swatir, my salute to those who chose Don Pana and supported this anti-merger. Speaker Sir, the then Congress government at the center did not think of any political benefit at that particular time when our central leaders gave opinion poll to Goa. The Congress government at the center at that time, Speaker Sir, passed Goa Daman and Diu Opinion Poll Act in the Parliament in November 1966. Anik Rockredge, Speaker Sir, announced the opinion poll date as 16 January 1967. Speaker Sir, at the time of liberation of Goa, Prime Minister Pandit Nehruji had promised that Goa would retain its distinct identity. Pun Speaker Sir, kai karna lagun, however, there were attempts to merge Goa into Maharashtra by passing a bill in the state legislature at that time. This move, Speaker Sir, Amgele Goenkaran opposed Kele, who firmly believed in retaining the identity of Goenkarpon of Goa. It was then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi ji who respected the sentiments of the proud Goans and agreed to the proposal put before her by Dr. Jack Sikher and Bab Purushottam Kakodkar. And he did because to allow Goans to decide their own fate. Because the President of India gave his assent to the Goa Daman and Diu Opinion Poll Act on 16 December 1966. And he passed in both the houses of Parliament. Speaker Sir, 16 January 1967 was chosen to be the date of the opinion poll day. Speaker Sir, Yach Disak, on this day, 16 January 1967, the identity of Goa was retained with 81.77% voting zalle. And Speaker Sir, of the 3,88,392 votes casting their ballot, of which 1,72,191 votes were in favor of the anti-merger, as against 1,38,170 votes in favor of the merger of Goa into Maharashtra. Speaker Sir, Goa retained its identity with a margin of 34,021 votes. And Speaker Sir, when the opinion poll zale, amka ek separate identity we got. It was because of opinion poll that we got the recognition of Konkani as the official language of Goa. Because of this opinion poll and inclusion, and it was included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Speaker Sir, it was the opinion poll which also facilitated the statehood to Goa. Speaker Sir, आज आमी सगळे आमका आमदार मुठाय कोण मुखेलमंत्री आहा आमी आमदार आहाय तुम्ही स्पीकर आहाय. Speaker Sir, it is only because of this opinion poll. it is a matter of paramount importance, Speaker Sir, that we commemorate this historic day with a state function. And Speaker Sir, I don't want to politicize this. And I don't want to, I truly feel that this House should unanimously recommend that this government should take immediate steps to commemorate Asmitai this opinion poll day of Goa's as the official state function. एक state function जोरी तो आमी केले कित्याक आज we would have been merged in Maharashtra. हुई ना हुई कोण पंच आसपाचो कोण सरपंच आसपाचो वो एक district आसपाची. It is because of this very fact. Speaker sir, आज we have to basically salute all these Goenkars who choose दोन पानां रिजेक्टेड ते गुलाबाचे फूल जे आहलें ते दोन पान सिलेक्ट कोन गुलाबा फूल रिजेक्ट कोन आज आमी हिंगा हाय जायते म्हाका दिसता हेजेर उलोयले I only request, I will not speak much, but I will only request all of us, let us truly believe and act in the favor of Goa. Let us not politicize this. We are today, because what we are is because of the opinion poll. Absolutely, the people are looking at us. The sentiments of the people are with us. Statehood, yes, but if opinion poll was not been given, if the call was not been taken, if sacrifices at that time people would have not voted in favor of the non-merger, we would have not been here today. Goa would have, we would have been merged. You can imagine the feeling. The feeling is frightening. During the reorganization of states, if we were somewhere with Karnataka, with Maharashtra, this itself, Speaker Sir, has given us a platform. Ami Goenkar म्हणून आज आख्खे जगभर आज फामाद आहे. हांव मागोतां सगल्या कडेन की let us all work. It is just to आमगेले जे future generation आहे. The future generation today have to understand in the schools. This has to be celebrated. They have to know the sacrifices done by all our famous leaders. जावं दोतोर जाग सिकेर, जावं दोतोर पुरुषोत्तम काकोडकर, जावं शाबू देसाई, जावं सगळे. म्हाका दिसता की हेजी याद आमी सगळ्यांनी करपाक जाय. Today, I hope that we have some better sense prevails in all of us. Let us not politicize this issue. With these few words, because I humbly request to all my colleagues here that let us support this resolution.
Sri Kalaswarar.